Alright, lads, if you're just tuning in, we are reacting to Spain Sydney's best beef burgers. It's all eat. Subscribe for the vibe, man. Hope you're feeling good. Hope you're feeling great. Shout out to the lads. TT, what's the lads? Anybody that subscribed to the channel, shout out to the lads, man.
Alright.
If y'all watch part 1, I ain't smoking dope the whole episode. I was eating some chips. So now we done conquered our munchies. Now it's time to smoke the dope and get some more munchies. I think I'm gonna eat some cereal after this. And then after I get some cereal, I'm making me some fish tonight. Kicking with TT. Drop a comment. Should I do that? I don't know. You guys know how to cook?
Here we are, Chebos. We're like, did you see in your little map transition? We're like one street away from Dapto hot dogs and burgers. Hey, we're in the most random spot. I feel like this is where you come to do little shifties and this and that. But anyway, stay in, brother. I'm going in. Chebos Burgers, brother. Mike Malak, this and that.
20 minutes later.
There is no way in the world I'm standing there for fucking 2 hours to get a fucking burger, brother. I can't tell if it...
Oh, that mean the burgers must be good then. Man, y'all, why they go get a burger with them?
If it's that like genuinely popular or if it's just a place that all the cool kids hang out. I can't really tell. 21 people in front of me after like 20 minutes. And I'm looking, but it's moving like one person every 5 minutes. Like, brother, let's go, brother.
Oh, they got bad customer. Either they got bad customer service, or it's lit like that, or Spain y'all just ain't got no patience. Drop a comment. Which
We'll
one y'all
replace
think?
them with Macca's. Don't worry about this place. Let's cut. This is nice.
I ain't gonna lie, them fries look good. Them fries, maybe I'm about to go fry me some fries. Them fries look good. But let me not speak too soon. Let me not say nothing. Let me wait till he tries them first.
That's hectic.
Well.
Hungry Jack's chips and the spicy sauce. Wow. Back to the story. I'm smiling and going, yeah, TikTok. On the inside, I feel like I'm not fucking TikTok. Like that, you know? Something like that. That's what I'm saying on the inside.
Yo, I'm screaming.
Don't even use it. Get out of here. Get off my car. Anyway, where we going? Burgers Anonymous, down the street, 2 suburbs away, last spot. This is losing. Dapto Dogs is winning by far. Grilled is coming second. Look, to be honest, I feel like if I got the Angry Whopper, it could have probably been a bit higher on this list. I don't know what position it would have been, but that burger, thank you investigative team, it was horrible.
Wow, Hungry Jacks. I know where not to go when I visit Australia.
All right, here we are, Fairfield. Never been here before, feel like I'm at the end of the earth. But we're going to Burgers Anonymous, just there in front of me, we found it. What's it about? I don't know, it's very anonymous. Let's cut. Where are you gonna wait? Where are you gonna wait? You're gonna get all the locals excited. Look at them all, you're gonna get them all excited. You're gonna be surrounded by locals like that when you're in Bankstown before, you know? You're further west than Bankstown now, mate.
Yo, when was this? Spanyan getting Hollywood, man. I love to see it, yo. And like, he's still going to the hood, but like, it's to the point where like more people are noticing him. That's what I mean when I say like he's getting Hollywood, and that shit, I like it, man. Because like I said, to see his growth, like, yo, this dude was in prison. He said the prison system raised him. Like, and look.
The order one. Boys, I'm relapsing, cuz please don't call NA. I'm going to NA meetings. Huh?
No dark soda. Man, I'm ending this video. Y'all subscribe for the